Whether sitting in the 7-point posture of Vairocana or not, it is important that one is comfortable. This was described by the teacher Machig Labdron, who is the accomplished female practitioner who brought the pacification teachings of Chod to Tibet from India within the scope of the 8 Chariots of Accomplishment. She taught that the points of the body, the 4 channels that run through the 4 limbs of the arms and legs, should be loose and relaxed, and that one should not tighten them in any way. If they are tightened, then one's mind becomes tightened, and the body tightens all the more. When the body tightens, it can be very harmful for meditation. It can be harmful for one's body, and it can hinder one from holding the samadhi that one has. If one makes the mind a little bit airy, then maybe that makes one shake and tremble a bit.